In cladistics, a monophyletic group is a group of organisms which is descended from a common ancestor, and the group includes all descendants from the most recent common ancestor. These groups can be defended based on the synapomorphies, or the shared derived features found within this group, indicating that they share a common ancestry. This analysis can be used to identify theropod dinosaur groups and even try to answer the question on the origin of birds. The group Theropoda seems to be a monophyletic clade based on shared derived features, or synapomorphies, which are shared in the group from the earliest theropods through the birds. Neotheropods seem to be a monophyletic clade based on the shared derived features, or synapomorphies, held in common among these theropod dinosaurs and the early birds. The Tetanorans seem to be a clade, a monophyletic group descended from a common ancestor due to the shared derived features in this group, including the early birds. The group Avetheropoda is classified as a monophyletic clade because of the shared derived features in this group. The group Coelurosauria is classified as a monophyletic clade due to the shared derived features in this group. The group Tyrannoraptora is a monophyletic clade based on the shared derived features of this group. The group Maniraptora is a monophyletic clade based on the shared derived features in this group. The group Paraves is a monophyletic clade based on the shared derived features of the group. The group Aves, or birds, are a monophyletic clade due to shared derived features. Since birds seem to be the descendants of theropod dinosaurs, the word theropod or dinosaur is a paraphyletic group unless it includes the birds, because birds are descendants of the first theropod dinosaurs.